Hello there, this is Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited you're here today. I'm going to be showing you the Takeout Thinlits and the Spooky Sweets stamp set. This is what I'm using today. I also have this gorgeous ribbon. This is new ribbon from Stampin' Up. All this stuff's available on September 5th, by the way. So these are just some sneak peeks that I'm showing here throughout the month of August so that you can get an idea of what's to come. Okay, I've cut two pieces out of my Big Shot using Mango Melody, and then I'm going to use the little star in the set and stamp all over both these pieces before I do any folding or assembling. It just makes it way easier. You can see I have a piece of scratch paper down there to prevent getting stuff all over my workspace. And so I'm just kind of going in a pattern, creating little triangles with my stars. If you stamp triangular with repeated pattern stamping, you will always have a nice pattern. So you can see here how I'm looking where two are, and I'm putting one where there would be a triangle, except for right there. I don't know what I just did. Anyways, so this is just really simple, easy, repeating stamping, and it goes really, really quick. This video is sped up, by the way, because I have decided I want to make all my videos 5 minutes or less, if I can. So I've started getting in the habit of speeding things up so that you don't have to sit and watch the long, lengthy parts that nobody cares about. Let's just face it, it's the truth. All right, so I'm putting the boxes together now. I folded on all the scored lines. Put them together like this. Start with the bottom, put it together, then add all your adhesive to the little tabs, and then put it together on the edges. Use tear and tape adhesive or red tape adhesive or some other really strong adhesive to put these boxes together. Otherwise, they will come apart. It's just the nature of anytime you make something that's like a 3D item, you're going to end up having it come apart if you don't use really strong adhesive. I dropped in 3 giant gumballs that taste delicious. I had to try one out. And then you just fold the top and close it. Then I'm going to use this really cute ribbon to tie a little bow on the top of this box. Actually, I'm not tying a bow. I'm doing a double knot. And then I'm going to use some twine to run it through and tie a tag on. So while I'm doing all of that, I wanted to share that there are a few awesome promotions happening right now. The bonus days is happening through August 31st. You can get $5 coupon to use in September for every $50 you spend through August 31st. If you need a holiday catalog and you don't already have a demonstrator sending you one, I would be happy to send you one. So you just have to send me a message through my website. Go to loveandstampin.com, click on Contact Me, and then down at the bottom there's a place where you can request a catalog. I will send you a catalog for free, and then my hope and prayer is that you'll place an order with me. I mean, you know, I'm in it to win it, people. I'm in it to win it. Let's just be honest. So, yeah, that's the scoop with that. So that's it. That's my cute little box. Isn't that adorable? Look at these other ones I made. I made a green one, and then I made this really cute little black one with it open at the top and some tissue paper on the inside with a couple of suckers that match. If you're wondering where I get all my candy, I get it on Amazon. Literally go to Amazon and type in purple candy, orange candy, red candy, green candy, and it'll just pop up with all kinds of options. So that's where I get all my goodies. So here they are, all finished and looking fabulously adorable. And I have to make a bunch of these for my friends coming to my card class next week. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope to see you here again soon. Click on either of these videos to watch them. Just click on the circle that has my face in it to subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you again soon. Asta pasta. Have a great one.